Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and finding the app immediately. This saves time. Tap Apps or App Management, then use the search field to type the app name and select it. Once done, glance at top-level toggles like notifications and permissions so you know what's already enabled. Make sure to accept any initial permission prompts if the system asks. Those allow the next steps. You're now positioned at the app's detail page and ready to change specific behaviors. Now focus on the middle, more complex controls. You should tap permissions and adjust each one: location, camera, microphone, choosing allow only while using the app when possible to protect privacy. Next, go to notifications and pick allow, silent, or block. For apps with channels, customize each channel so only important alerts come through. Finally, check background activity and restrict it if you want to save battery. Make sure these choices match how you use the app so you don't break expected functions. Finish by handling storage, defaults, and a key troubleshooting tip. Tap storage to clear cache for quick fixes or clear data if you need a full reset. Uninstall updates only when necessary. Next, set or clear open by default so links open where you expect. If something still misbehaves, restart the app and then reboot your device. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore disabled functions. That reset often resolves permission conflicts. Remember it as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.